Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of versatile knowledge. So the biggest news that is coming today is from the Android Q. The Android Q Beta 1 has been officially released to the public today by Google in the early hours. And this Beta 1 is available only for Pixel line of devices as of now. It was earlier said by Google that the beta preview will be available for more list of devices. But right now we got an information from Google that the Beta 1 will only be available for Pixel devices, but the successor to the Beta 1 preview, that is the Beta 2 of the Android Q, will be available for more list of devices. The list of devices that is eligible for the Android Q Beta 1 program is the Pixel, Pixel XL, Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. So these 6 devices mainly from the Pixel lineup is only eligible for the beta update. This beta update can be done by two methods. First method is by normal OTA update and the second method is installing the update via the ADB. Now I'll be telling you guys how you can update your Pixel devices to the Android Q both by the over-the-air update and also via the ADB. In the over-the-air update, you have to just follow 4 simple steps. The first step is you have to visit the link that I have provided in the description. That is the Android Q beta program for updating your smartphone or your Pixel devices over the air. In that beta program, the list of eligible devices will be shown. You have to click on the list of eligible devices to check whether your device is eligible for the beta update. If you're using any Pixel device, then the device will be shown in the list of eligible devices. Then you have to just click opt-in in the options that is present. Moving forward, you have to agree to the conditions that Google says, and then you have to click on the join now option. After a few minutes, just go ahead and check your Pixel devices, and on your Pixel device in the software update option, you will find the Android Q Beta 1 update is available. First, make sure you back up all your data and start downloading the update. And after downloading the update, it will ask for a reboot prompt. You click on reboot, then automatically your Pixel devices will be migrated to Android Q's latest operating system. The second step is by installing the ADB and fastboot on your computer. In the second process, you have to make sure you first back up all your data. In order to install the Android Q Beta update on your device via the ADB method, there are a few steps that you have to follow. The first step is you have to back up all your data on your drive or on your computer. The second step is you have to turn on the developer options. In order to turn on the developer options, you just go to the system settings, and there in the about phone section, just tap on the build number 7 times. And once you have done that, in the settings homepage, you can find the developer options. Just click on the developer options, scroll down, you will find the USB debugging option. Just turn on the USB debugging on your smartphone. Once you have done that, the third step is you have to reboot your smartphone to recovery mode. In order to reboot your Pixel device to recovery mode, first step is you have to turn off your smartphone. Then next, you have to press the volume down button and the power button simultaneously until the Android logo will lie down on the screen. This is where you have confirmed that successfully booted onto the recovery mode. Then use the volume up and down button to navigate. There will be an option of update via ADB. Just click that option. Now, on your computer, install the ADB and fastboot tools. In order to install the ADB and fastboot tools, I will be giving the links in the description of how to do that. Just visit that link, follow the steps present in that link, then you'll be good to go. The next step is you have to download the OTA zip files for your respective Pixel devices from the Android Q official beta update website. The link for this website where you can download this update is also in the description. Please check that link and download the proper zip file for your Pixel device. The next step is you have to connect your smartphone to your computer. Then once you have connected that, go to the folder where you have downloaded your OTA zip file or the zip file that you just downloaded from the Google official website. Here, open the command prompt in this window. Now you have to just enter 2 important commands. The first command is ADB devices. Now if you enter this ADB devices command in the terminal, you get to see your smartphone has been attached to your computer successfully. The second step that you have to do is just type this command ADB sideload the respective name of the zip file that you downloaded .zip. I recommend you to rename the zip file to ota.zip because generally the name of the zip file will be very long. Hence, you rename the zip file that you downloaded to ota.zip. The command that you have to enter is ADB sideload ota.zip. That's it. The OTA installation will be successfully done on your smartphone, and your smartphone will automatically reboot into your new Android Q operating system. And please let us know your experiences with the next Android version, that is the Android Q, in the comments below. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button as we have some awesome content on our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.